for a long period of time, the men's team, or I would say both under 14 as well as the senior team, both had been doing very well. And now for last two terms and the 8th edition, what we are seeing, we had been seeing a very good performance. Almost more than 1100 women players have benefited out of this particular initiative across Goa, and which is a very good achievement. We want to remain very actively involved in this drive, where we make a holistic difference to the society, where we bring not only limited to football, but across Vedanta we had been involved in many additional sports activities. How do we bring sports in the youth's day-to-day mind, that they pick up some hobby, they pick up some such activity which will keep them energized, which will keep them always going for a competitive place, where they also get groomed for tomorrow, whether it be a success or defeat. They are getting groomed, they are getting trained for that kind of situation, that how to remain competitive, but how to remain again humble and accept every situation what we get. So that is the kind of effort which we had been doing for, and which we believe we will continue to do.
2017 ही लीग सुरवात जाली जाल्यार 7 वर्सां आमी बरे भाशेन कंप्लीट केली, आनी 8th this year, एडिशनल 8th बरे भाशेन जावपाक सगळ्यांनी सहकार दिवपाक जाय. पयले सुवातेर म्हाका सांगपाक, आमी जेन्ना ही सुरवात करता आसतना 8 टीम्स घेवन सुरवात जाल्ली, आनी म्हणलेलें की हे फुडें आमी अदीक गेमी आडयतले म्हूण, पूण आयज पासून आमचे लागीं घडोंक ना. म्हाका दिसता, आय एम से सॉरी, एटलिस्ट 8-10 टीम्स जावपा जाय आसले, कित्याक विवेंता आमकां स्पॉन्सर करता, पूण आमचे लागीं घडोना. मागता सेसा फुटबॉल अकाडमी लागीं तुमचें आनी आमचें GFA रिलेशन सदांच बरें आसचें. तुमी नो डावट सदांच GFAक आपलो सहकार दितात, आनी हे फुडें दिवपाक मागता.
In my tenure, when I was there until 31st March 2014, I never thought of starting women's football. But thereafter, it has been a great initiative from the current management led by Naveen, and also duly supported by GFA. I am somehow of the idea that Goa may be the first state in the country to start a women's league football.
Yes.
So this is a great legacy for all of you to take it forward, and this is a great initiative from everybody, including Vedanta management. So, and I always believe that the football field is the best school for management people, because this is where you learn discipline, you learn collaborative effort or teamwork, and various other things. So all the team members, I request you to take this platform very seriously and take your career upwards and make India proud. Let's football for India. Thank you.
I will definitely say thank you, a big thank you to Vedanta, because they are the ones who sponsor GFA for the Women's League. And this league has been run, it's already mentioned, from last 7 years, and this is the 8th edition. But from our side, as already our Vice President has mentioned, that from 8 we have come to 6, but let's say it like we have the best 6. And for sure, some new teams have come in. Hopefully this team will stay for the next year also. That's what we hope from our side when we are organizing this tournament with the support of Vedanta. For this league, we will have home and away matches for the teams. What we are really looking forward for, when it is a home match, hopefully the locals from their place are there, and the women game grows. So that's what we are looking. That's why we made it home and away. Otherwise, we would have kept it at one central venue where, Vedanta or Sesa could do it by itself. But then we gave a club also, to get involved from our side, whatever we could, we did. But we are hoping in future, if the support remains, we can really look forward for some more or some other teams coming in. Because now, as Melroy has already mentioned, we are from this one team will go to IWL 2 qualifying round. So that will be one initiative and one motivation where the teams really look forward to play in IWL 2. That's all over India. So I hope in future we have more teams and we can do it in little better way or little on a bigger way. But this year what we will really look forward is, from our side, GFA especially, we will try and give all the support to the teams because they are participating. Some teams are new, but hopefully they have their home crowd, home support, and the women games grow in Goa. So all the best to all the teams who are here, and thank you Vedanta once again to sponsor the women's game.